Linux explained in 60 seconds. Well, Linux powers your phone, servers, billions of devices worldwide. It is a free open source operating system that is fully customizable and it will allow anyone to change whatever they want. Linux itself is an operating system kernel that controls the hardware. It manages everything from the CPU to the memory to the storage. Without it, your programs can't run and your computer is just an expensive paperweight. Think of Linux as the middle person between you and the computer's brain. Linux translates the actions into instructions for your hardware. So if we talk about the kernel, we actually also talk about Linux. And on top of all of this, we have distributions, which is customized versions of Linux with a nice GUI or graphical interface. We have Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and also, by the way, Steam OS. We can easily talk to the system and it will install any application for us with a very huge repository, the space where everything can be installed. Learning commands can be very scary at the beginning, but eventually you will get used to it. Linux can be anything you want, the smallest server or the biggest library of data. Make sure to subscribe for more.